Hello, everyone. Today, I want to answer a very simple question. What is a computer? I know it might seem easy, but trust me. Understanding this is super important, especially if you're just starting out. So, let's dive in. A computer is an electronic machine that takes in information, processes it, and gives you a result. It helps us solve problems or finish tasks. Let's use an example. Imagine you want to add two numbers. You tell those numbers to the computer and it quickly gives you the answer. This happens because a computer follows a set of instructions, what we call a program or software. Now, computers come in many shapes and sizes. Your phone is a computer. That laptop you use for school or work, that's a computer too. Even things like smartwatches are computers, and machines like ATMs are also computers. If it can follow instructions and process information, it's probably a computer. But how does a computer actually work? Inside, it has a few main parts. First, there's the CPU. This is like the computer's brain. It does all the thinking and calculations. Then there's memory, which temporarily stores information. And there's storage, like a hard drive, which keeps your files and photos safe, even when the computer is turned off. Finally, there are input and output devices. Input is how you give information to the computer, like a keyboard or a mouse. Output is how the computer gives information back to you, like a screen or speakers. So why are computers so important? They help us work faster, connect with people, learn new things, and even have fun. From writing documents to watching videos to sending emails to playing games. Simply put, a computer is just a tool, an amazing tool, that follows instructions to help us get things done. And the more you learn about computers, the more powerful they become in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy explanations. See you next time.